Hello everyone, welcome to another video about generative AI. In this video, I will compare two AI image generator, Midjourney and Bing Image Creator. Bing has integrated an image creator into their browser. I will demonstrate their capabilities and differences. Most of us are familiar with the Midjourney platform, right? So let's have a look at how this Bing image creator looks. So once you log in into Bing, you have this discover option in the top right corner, right? Click on this. At this bottom here, you will see this image creator option. Let's click on this. You can expand this window. Then you will see here that you have this prompt area and then you have this click so option, right? So you can provide the prompt and then click on the submission and it will generate 4 images out of your prompt. So let's go ahead and start creating images. So to create image, I'll be using 5 different prompts and I'll be using exact same prompt in Midjourney as well as in Bing. And we will compare the result out of that and we'll see. Okay. Let's get started with our first prompt. So let's wait for the result here. At the same time, we will go ahead and provide our prompt here and click on this create. Let's have a look at the image which we got from Midjourney here. So this is the 4 images which we have got. So let's have a look at the what we got from Bing. So we'll click on this. So you can see here it's creating really great images and it uses dall-e for the image creation, which is an OpenAI platform. So these images are really cool. I feel that both Midjourney and Bing has created a really great images here. So I'll go ahead with my second prompt, which is a landscape for the glacier. So we have our images ready in Midjourney as well as in Bing. Let's have a look at them. So here the color grading you can see, right? It is really nice in Midjourney. I don't see much these things in Bing. So let's have a look at the Bing images. This is even nice, but not as good as Midjourney. So this is the first image out of 4. Let's look at the third one. This image is really good. Let's have a look at this one. So this one is really good. I like this out of those 4. So the third prompt was about mountain at sunset, and I wanted to create a vector images out of that, right? So this is the image which we got from Midjourney. Let's have a look at them. The first one and the fourth one. Let's have a look at the Bing images. I really like the Bing image in this one. This looks really great. Look at the color here. It looks like a vector art. Look at this one, and it's even sharp. The color is really nice here. Let's have a look at our fourth prompt and what images we have got. So you can see here this is the image which we have got. So this is really cool and nice. I was really surprised that these two images from Bing as well as from Midjourney are totally different. These images are really cool. I really like the both set, but only thing is that even though I've gave a hyper real here, the faces are not that kind of hyper realistic. It is mainly cyborg. So more fusion of cyborg here, but here you see a little bit of infusion of cyborg in the face. Let's have a look at our fifth prompt. Before we start, so I wanted to ask you guys, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button, share with your friends because it really helps with YouTube algorithm and it keeps me motivated to create content like this for you guys. So let's have a look at the fifth prompt now. Here Midjourney has created amazing image whereas Bing has failed completely. It was not able to generate any images properly even though I've tried twice. So let's have a look here. So you see here these are the images which we have got from Midjourney, while as from Bing, we got something like this. That's all from the day, guys. I still believe that I like the images from Midjourney really far better than Bing. Though some images from Bing was really good, but overall, Midjourney is far better than Bing as of now.